In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user account on a Windows 11 PC. Before we start, a quick reminder. Deleting a user account will permanently remove that person's files, settings, and apps that are tied to that account from your computer. So if there's anything important in that account, make sure you sign into it first and back up any documents, pictures, or other files to an external drive or a cloud service. Once you're ready and you're sure you won't need anything from that account, you can proceed. To delete a user account in Windows 11, you need to be signed in with an administrator account. If you're using a standard account, you won't see the options we're about to use. So first, log in with an account that has admin rights. Now, let's open the Windows settings. Move your mouse to the bottom of the screen and click on the Start button. Then click on the Settings icon. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time to open settings directly. In the Settings window, look at the menu on the left side and click on Accounts. This is where Windows manages all user-related options. Once you're in the Accounts section, find and click on the option labeled Family and Other Users. On some systems, this may simply say Other Users, but it takes you to the same place. Here, you'll see a list of user accounts that are set up on this PC, apart from your own. Scroll through the list until you find the account you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the correct one, especially if multiple accounts have similar names. Click on the account you want to remove. When you do this, a few buttons will appear underneath it. Click on the button that says Remove. Windows will now show you a confirmation message explaining that deleting this account will also delete all data associated with it from this PC. Read this message carefully. If you're absolutely sure you want to continue, click on Delete Account and Data. Windows will process the request, and after a few moments, the selected user account will be removed from the computer. Once this is done, that user will no longer be able to sign in, and their local files stored under that account will be gone. At this point, you can close the Settings window, and you're all set.